Israel Martin, your team was flying before the Christmas break. What has happened since then?
What do you mean flying?
You were the best team in Iceland, in my opinion. But now you don't seem to be.
Well, we are trying. Like I said, we got some injuries very important in the team. Pietur and Ural, and they are trying to get back 100%. And we have a new addition also in the team, and we are trying to figure out the best for the team, the best for the group, starting for come back to our defense. 1 week ago or 2 weeks ago, we beat Njarðvík, playing very good defense, and this is the way where we need to come back.
Okay, so the reminder of the regular season, you are optimistic.
Of course, yeah, very optimistic. I mean, right now we gotta get the team ready for the playoff. Very optimistic, very positive. I'm sure that when everybody fit well in rotation, fit well in our defense again, we are gonna be good.
Okay, thank you very much.
You're welcome.